What's going on, everybody? Just wanted to make a video. I just got my Lake Line stainless steel guide rod for my handgun here. This is the Taurus PT111 G2. I just picked it up a couple weeks ago. It's kind of one of those where you either love them or hate them. For the price, I wanted to pick one up and see what I thought about it, and so far I really like the gun. Started reading some things about the guide rods that come in the gun, and wanted to spend the 15 or 20 bucks it cost to upgrade to the stainless steel guide rod. So I just got in the mail today. I ordered it and it came in like 2 days. So pretty happy about that. So I wanted to make a video just unwrapping everything here. All right. So we got a basically the instruction manual. Oh, it looks like I cut it up a little bit when I cut the top of the envelope, but okay. So instructions. Okay, and let's see what we got here. And here we go. Here's our guide rod. Looks pretty nice. Looks like really good quality. Well, now I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside in the gun. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Okay, so now we're gonna install it. Magazine's out. Take the safety off. Make sure everything's clear. Everything's cleared. Now to break it down, as you know, it's pretty simple. Slide this back a little bit. Pull down on these two on both sides. Let it go forward, pull the trigger, there you go, broken down. And as you can see here, here's the factory guide rod. So all you need to do is just put a little pressure on that, pull it out, and we'll compare the two here. So, see if I can get them both in the picture. Oh, let's do it like that. All right, so here's the two. This one is kind of a combination of, there's some, I believe some steel and some plastic as well. So what people are trying to get away from is the plastic. And as you can see, it's very good quality. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in. Put the old one to the side here. To the side, okay. And then go ahead and insert like that, and then make sure it goes to that bottom one there, not it doesn't go on the top one. There you go. It fits very nice. I like the feel of it. Also, something to note is now you have that stainless on the end there instead of what was in there before, is that plastic. So I'd say it's a pretty good upgrade. So far I'm happy with the product. Obviously I haven't tried it out yet, but as far as the quality of it, and it got sent to me in 2 days. I'm in Texas, and they are really out of, I think, Washington State, so pretty good for 2 days. So can't complain about that. Very happy. And I'll make a follow-up video after I shoot it a few times and let you know what I think. Thanks for watching.